Okay, welcome back. Now what you will see here is the test part ran. This isn't completed yet, hasn't reached its read time, which is 10 minutes, but the saliva alcohol has reached its read time of 2 minutes from when it was placed into the mouth. So now you're looking for any colour change that's occurred in that window against the alcohol, and you're looking to compare any colour change against this blue colour card that's provided with the test, and you'll see that on this result there's no detectable alcohol in the saliva that's reached that pad. So the next part of the test now is to wait for the read time on the drug tests, which is 10 minutes, and as you'll see while I've been talking, the membranes are gradually running so that we are almost towards the control line, but you want that pink dye to have completely run throughout those windows, and if adequate saliva has been collected, that should easily be accomplished within the 10-minute read time. So I'm going to pause the video now and we'll come back and show you the final section of this video, which is at the read time of 10 minutes.